In their recent video response to our debate challenge, Sunni Defense or Sunnah Discourse had the following to say.
What is this silliness? You are acting like fraudsters. We put forward a debate challenge. Accept or reject. Do not play games.
Who put forward the debate challenge? Let's take a look at what Sunnah Discourse said in their initial video titled Debate Challenge Accepted.
Okay, challenge accepted. We are fully prepared to debate your entire team.
Following this, we corrected Sunnah Discourse on the fact that there was no actual debate challenge, and that Ali al-Habib had merely invited viewers to call in during his show. Something Sunnah Discourse conceded to.
Hello?
You confidently called people out to debate the topic of Ghadir. Yes, we concede, as you claimed, this was in the context of a live show, not a formal debate challenge.
After this concession, we came forward with an actual debate challenge. So what games are Sunnah Discourse referring to? And how are they so bold to claim that we are running away?
You are running away. Yes, you are afraid of 1. Debating Ustad Hassan Shamrani in a strictly controlled debate environment with pre-agreed conditions.
Our primary and legitimate reasons for dismissing Shamrani were made very clear in our initial response video.
Yes, it is no secret that humor and mockery is part of his style.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah wassalatu wassalam ala rasulillah wa ala alihi at-tayyibin at-tahirin al-masumin.
Does Sunnah Discourse really expect the public to believe our reasons for dismissing Shamrani are out of fear? Shamrani is the Christian prince of the Muslim world. And anyways, let's be real here. How can we be expected to debate Shamrani when his own teacher disowns him? Had we been afraid of Shamrani, then we would not have put forward Farid Responds, who you deem greater than Shamrani, and who Shamrani refers to as Big Fish.
Shubayri's teacher, they advised them. They know Farid is a big fish. They know Farid is not easy.
So we're afraid of Shamrani, but going after the big fish. Right. But what else is Farid known for? Remember this fuss?
Farid feels empathy towards Shias who are lied to by their scholars. However, they won't debate him because he is an expert on Shiaism.
Let's summarize. Ali al-Habib invites viewers to call in to the Ali al-Habib show. Sunnah Discourse mistake it for a formal debate challenge. Rafida Plus puts forward an actual formal debate challenge. Shamrani is dismissed from the arena of formal debate. Shamrani is disowned by his own teacher, Adnan Rashid. Sunnah Discourse falsely claim Rafida Plus are afraid of Shamrani. Rafida Plus reminds Sunnah Discourse that Farid is their big fish.
Step right up, play the game and be a winner.
But perhaps you did not approach Farid out of worry that he may not step up. The following conversation is from the live chat of the Ali al-Habib show, episode 1.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a winner.
That's a shame. We never did hear from Farid. Where did he go?
Farid is an expert on Shiaism.